Hi guys, welcome to the mathematician. Today we're going to be going over numbers 4 through 7 or 8. Depends on how long the video gets. So let's go to number 4. A utility line runs underground through Cheyenne's rectangular backyard. Cheyenne is not allowed to dig within 3 feet of the utility line. The diagram below shows the dimensions of Cheyenne's backyard in feet. The dashed line represents the utility line. So let's look at it's asking what is the area in square feet of the part of the backyard in which Cheyenne is allowed to dig. So this is where she's not allowed to dig. So let's take that out of her problem. So we know that she's allowed to dig here and here, right? So we have to figure out what this mystery length is, right? Because they didn't give us, oh, it's 3 feet, like it's on the no digging plate. They just didn't give any number. So since we know that this length is 17 feet, right? So if this is 17 feet, this should also be 17 feet, right? And if this is 14 feet, this should also be 14 feet, right? So now it's saying that this whole thing is 22 feet. So if we know that the whole thing is 22 feet, if we subtract 14 from it, 14 from 22, we get what this side is, right? Because if this is 14, then from the 8 feet we can like narrow it down to how much this feet is. So 22 minus 14 is 8. So since we know 3 plus 3 is 6, since we know that this side is 6 feet, then we're left with how much this is. So if we just minus 6, oh, let's do question mark, but okay, question mark, but okay, minus 6, and then we get the side of this one. So with mystery question mark would be 2. So we know this is 17, we know this is 2, so we know this is 17, we know this is 14. So we can solve for our area. So we have to multiply these together and multiply these together and add them together to get our area. So when you multiply 14 times 17, you get 238. And when you multiply 17 times 2, you get 34. So then you add these together. Oops, 34, not 23. So then you get 238 plus 34, you get 12, carry 1, 7, 272. So your answer is F. Let's go to number 5. The table shows the prices of some orange breakfast items at a restaurant. Sarah ordered 2 eggs, a slice of bacon, and a glass of orange juice for breakfast. The sales tax for the order was 48 cents. She paid for her breakfast with a $10 bill. So it says that she ordered 2 eggs, 1 slice of bacon, and 1 glass of orange juice. So, and we also know that the sales tax is 48 cents. So don't forget to, don't discard this information from, like when you're adding everything. So we have to add 1.6269 and 1.69 again because you ordered 2 of them, 2 eggs, 1.49 and 1.09. So then when you add all these together, we should get, plus the 48 cents, 8, you should get 6.44. So then you would do 10 minus 6.44, 80. So then you should get 356. So then that would be your change because this is your, the 6.44 is your total cost of your whole bill. And then it's asking you how much you would receive the change after you give it a $10 bill. So you go to the restaurant, you buy everything, and your total bill is $6.44, right? So you hand the cashier $10, and they take out your bill. They take out what you ordered, and then they give you back the change. So your answer would be A. 6. The box plot shows data about the number of years that farm workers have been employed at each of the two farms. Which statement is best supported by the information about box plots? So the range of the data from farm Y is equal to the range of the data from farm X. So this is the range of the data from farm X. So farm X is 35 minus, let's see, 4. So 35 minus 4 would be 31. That's the range of the data. So range of data is 31 for farm X. And then farm Y, 5 minus 30, which would be 25. Oops. 25 is the range. So if 25 is the range of farm Y, so they're not equal, so this will make this equation false. Oh yeah, it says which statement is best supported. So this is not best supported, this is false. And then G says the third quartile of the data for farm Y is less than the third quartile of the data for farm X. So this is our third quartile. So we draw a straight line. So you can see it ends on 24. So for farm X, it's 24. So farm X is 24. And then let's see what farm Y is. Farm Y is 27. So 24 is, oh wait, no, farm Y is 27, so then the 27 is not less than 24, so it's not G. Oh, this is supposed to go, yeah, next farm X, and this is farm Y. The median of the data is for farm Y is greater than the median of the data for farm X. So we know the median is at the middle point right here. So the median of farm X is about 17, and for farm Y, it's just one greater than them, so it's 17 and 18. So farm Y is indeed greater than farm X. The 17 is greater than, 18 is greater than 17. The first quartile of the data for farm Y is greater than the first quartile of the data for farm X. So yeah, the first quartile of the data, 11, 12. 12 is not greater than 15, so it's not J. So we know for sure our answer is 8. I'll just stop the video for here today, and I will post the next one tomorrow. Thank you, bye.